Have you picked up your textbooks yet?
Isn't the cafeteria supposed to be open by now?
I left my umbrella on the bus this morning.
Can you cover my shift on Saturday?
What time does the registrar's office close?
The professor moved the deadline to next Monday.
Would you mind reviewing my essay before I submit it?
How did you do on the chemistry exam?